Did you know that this aircraft was once considered one of the greatest transport technologies of the Soviet Union? This is the legendary Ilyushin Il-76, also known as the Il-76, a massive military and cargo aircraft built to carry extremely heavy loads across long distances and into some of the harshest environments on Earth, the WoW. Il-76 was developed during the Eid 1970s by the Soviet Aircraft Company, Ilyushin. Its first flight took place in 1971, and it quickly became one of the most important transport aircraft used by the Soviet Union. This giant aircraft was designed for military operations, heavy cargo transport, emergency rescue missions, and humanitarian aid deliveries. It was capable of carrying tanks, armored vehicles, military trucks, troops, engineering equipment, food supplies, and medical equipment. What made the Il-76 special was its ability to operate in very difficult conditions. Unlike many large aircraft, it could land on rough, unpaved runways covered with dirt, snow, or ice. This made it extremely useful for remote military bases in disaster zones where normal cargo planes could not safely operate. The aircraft is powered by 4 massive jet engines that produce enormous thrust, allowing it to transport over 40 tons of cargo across thousands of kilometers. Its large cargo bay was specifically designed to fit oversized military equipment and heavy machinery. One of the most impressive features inside the Il-76 is its internal loading system and powerful loading winch. The loading winch is used to pull heavy cargo into the aircraft during loading operations. This system helps crews move large containers, vehicles, and equipment quickly without depending completely on external cranes or machinery. Combined with roller tracks inside the cargo floor, the aircraft can load and unload cargo much faster during military or emergency missions. At the rear of the aircraft, there is a large cargo ramp that opens upward and downward, allowing vehicles and heavy equipment to enter directly into the plane. This design also allows paratroopers and cargo to be dropped from the aircraft during airborne operations. Over the decades, the Il-76 became famous around the world not only for military use, but also for humanitarian missions. It has been used during earthquakes, floods, wildfires, and international rescue operations to deliver emergency supplies and transport rescue teams. Even today, many countries still use the Il-76 because of its reliability, strength, and ability to perform missions that few aircraft in the world can handle. The Il-76 is more than just a cargo plane. It is a symbol of Soviet engineering power, a machine built to survive extreme conditions, carry enormous weight, and continue flying where many others cannot. This is the mighty Il-76, one of the true giants of the sky.